Okay, so me and my friend just bought a PC off eBay and we're going to flip it. Here's the specs. First off, we have the Intel i5 4460, which is a 4-core, 4-thread CPU with a base clock frequency of 3.2 GHz. It can only be boosted to 3.4 GHz. It has a 6 MB cache and only supports DDR3 memory. It does also have integrated graphics, specifically the Intel HD 4600. And finally, it is on the socket LGA 1150. Speaking of motherboard sockets, we then have the Asus B85M-G motherboard. This is a micro ATX motherboard with a LGA 1150 socket and B85 chipset. It supports RAM speeds of up to 1600 MHz on DDR3 and has 4 slots of RAM, which is very good for upgrading RAM in the future. Moving on, we have some generic DDR3 RAM. The seller didn't give that much info apart from that it is two 4 GB sticks to make 8 GB of RAM in total. We do not know the clock speed, but we assume it's 1600 MHz. Next, we have the graphics card. This is the GTX 960 by Nvidia. This is a very old card dating back to 2015 on its launch date. It has 2 GB of VRAM, which is GDR5, and a base clock of 11,027 MHz and a memory clock speed of 1,753 MHz. This graphics card also supports DirectX 12. Finally, the case. This case is made by ZooStorm and it is used in the ZooStorm Mana pre-built. It has relatively good airflow. It supposedly has RGB fans, but we don't know. Thanks for watching this little video on the PC that we bought. Also, type the word Craggy in our Discord giveaways section to possibly earn a free PC building service from our eBay. Bye!